Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Telegram showing connecting, and maybe Telegram is not working in your country, so that's why it's showing. But how you can fix it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So if you are facing this type of the problem, in this video I will show you two methods to fix it. First method is that simply open the Play Store and you have to download any VPN. I recommend you to download the Turbo VPN. Once you will do it, install it in your phone and use it before open your Telegram. Maybe your Telegram will start working, but if it's not working, the other way is that you can simply open your Telegram and go to the settings, and in the settings you have to search for the proxy. Once you will click on it, here you will see add proxy, and from here you have to click on the empty proxy, tap on it, and here you have to enter the proxy name, proxy dot empty proto dot co, and here you have to enter the port 443, and in the secret you have to enter this digits 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, and 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 9. Once you will do it, click on the tick button on the right top. So once you will do it, right now you can see I am using this proxy to use my Telegram. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.